Hey everyone, Andy Nathan here, general contractor with Creative Smart Contractors, right here in Chicago. If you've been waiting for the housing market to cool off before jumping in, good news. The buyer's market is officially here. Deals are improving, sellers are negotiating again, and the smart investors are starting to move. Nationally, home prices are basically flat, up or down about 1% depending on where you live. Once you factor in inflation, that means we're in a mild correction, not a crash. And the biggest difference this time, buyers have leverage again. The average sale to list price is now under 99%, indicating that sellers are accepting offers below the asking price. So if you're still offering list price, you're leaving money on the table. Now, let's talk about how this plays out here in Illinois and the Midwest. While the West Coast and Florida are cooling off fast, cities like Chicago, Milwaukee, and Indianapolis are still showing small year-over-year price gains, around 3 to 4%. That's down from earlier highs, but it means our market's stable. We're not crashing, we're just normalizing. So for Chicago investors, this is the sweet spot. Less competition, steady rents, and plenty of motivated sellers. And speaking of stability, homeowners are actually in great shape. Delinquencies and foreclosures are below pre-pandemic levels, and U.S. homeowners are sitting on a record $17 trillion in equity. So no, we're not heading for another 2008. People can afford to stay put, which means fewer distressed listings and more opportunities for off-market or creative deals. Here's the bottom line for Chicago. If you're a buy and hold investor, now's the time to use that leverage. Negotiate below comps, focusing on solid neighborhoods such as Edgewater, Rogers Park, and Bronzeville, and run the numbers to optimize long-term cash flow. Rates are likely to remain in the mid-60s through next year, but rents are expected to start rising again by 2026. That means better cash flow and better long-term appreciation. So don't wait for the perfect market, because this is the perfect time for disciplined investors. If you'd like to discuss what this looks like for your next rehab or rental project, visit creativesmartcontractors.com and schedule a complimentary strategy call.